How to sign in Argos Credit Card online. Hey everybody, in order to do so, you may follow up this step. So open up any of your browser, and then once you go ahead and open it up, in the search bar, you need to type in Argos Online Account Manager like this and hit search. Once you do that, you will be getting results, and you may go ahead and tap on the very first, which is argosclassic.co.uk. Just go ahead and tap on it. And once you go ahead and tap on it, you will be taken to another page. So, here, you need to enter up your username that you have used in order to create an Argos online account. So if you have created a username, type in here and tap on next and follow the on-screen prompts. If not, we have this option called sign up. So go ahead and tap on it. And once you do, wait for another page to load up. So in order to do so, what you will need is you need to have your account details, which is your 16-digit account or your card number. So you need to have that. After that, once that is entered, you will be getting a passcode on your phone number. Go ahead and enter up that, and your online registration number, which is the 6-digit code, will be sent you via email when you applied for the account. So once you read that, tap on continue. And after reading on it, here in this first section, you need to enter up your personal details, your last name, and your postcode. After that, your card holder details if you have card, and then your card number, your expiry date, and also tap on this that you have read and agreed to the terms and conditions, and tap on continue. Once that is done, all you gotta do is follow this process until you reach to number 4 and follow the on-screen prompts. And once that is done, you will be easily signed in into your Argos credit card online account. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.